Welcome, this is a practical question session. I'm going to discuss the first question of the day 4. So in the first question, I have to create a simple page like this to make some buttons and make it responsive as well for small devices and medium large devices. And I have to create a sign up page, and as well as I have to enter the data through the sign up page to a database called QDay41. And to create a database to sign up the page, and we created previously for the things, and there should be validations to the fields as well as I have to enter the terms and conditions to accept that. So I'm going to show my answer. So I created the buttons like this. When I press sign up button, it will take me into the page, and I can click here, the login here, then I will take into the login page. The login page is not made up yet, so I can just sign up, but I have to accept the terms and conditions. When I accept it, I have to enter the first name. So I'm going to enter the first name. Then I have to enter the last name also, so all the pages are validated. And I have to enter the email. As well as I have to enter the password. I'm going to just enter simple password. And if I didn't confirm it, it will make it red and give me a warning that it is not. Well, if I enter the wrong one, also the same. So when I enter the correct one, it say done and clear the all fields. And when I go to the database, you can see in my database, in here users, in data, this is the last details I entered, so it entered into the database as well. So I'm going to show you the code now. In the code, this is the sign up page, which is simple, just using input fields I created to take the data, and I have used Bootstrap to make it responsive as well as the designs. And in here I created those button layout for the sign up. Go over to home, all the button layout, and I use Ajax to send the data from the client side to server side like this. I took all the data from the input fields and I created the form data. I did here validation. If the password fields are not equal, then it will not do the Ajax part. And then I put a form data to create a form to send the server side. And in the process PHP, it is doing all the validation parts in here. And if all the validations are okay, then it will execute the query in here, insert the query. So that is and the login page is also nothing in here. I just created to redirect it. So that is the whole process and the code of the question 1 of the day 4.